The Chevrolet Trailblazer introduces subtle yet notable updates to its subcompact SUV lineup, with new exterior color options and a tire inflator kit become standard equipment, as the spare tire and jack are no longer included. These changes aim to refresh the Trailblazer's appeal while maintaining its practicality and style. The Trailblazer features a modernized exterior that sharpens its compact SUV appeal. With a redesigned front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aggressive grille, it looks bolder and more refined. Clean body lines and updated wheel designs give it a sportier stance, while new paint options add to its fresh look. The Trailblazer's updated design isn't just about style, it's about presence. It now feels more aligned with Chevy's current SUV lineup, projecting confidence and capability. Rear-end tweaks, including new taillight designs, complete the refresh without overcomplicating the silhouette. Overall, the car's exterior update is subtle but effective, modern, functional, and in step with what today's drivers want in a compact crossover. The Trailblazer is available in 4 trims: LS, LT, Active, and RS. Each trim offers a distinct driving experience. The LS and LT focus on everyday comfort and value, making them solid choices for practical drivers. The Active trim stands out for its off-road readiness, featuring a tuned suspension, skid plates, and rugged design elements. It's built for those who like to explore beyond the pavement. On the other hand, the RS trim leans into sporty styling, with bold red interior accents, a blacked-out grille, and 19-inch wheels that give it a performance-inspired edge. Whether you want a commuter, an adventure-ready SUV, or a street-smart ride with attitude, the Trailblazer's trims cover all the bases. The Trailblazer offers 2 turbocharged engine options to suit different driving needs. The base engine is a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder that produces 137 horsepower, ideal for efficient city driving. For more power, buyers can opt for the 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, which delivers 155 horsepower and improved acceleration. This stronger engine comes standard on the RS and Active trims, complementing their sporty and off-road capabilities. Both engines are designed to balance performance and fuel efficiency, giving drivers flexibility without sacrificing economy. Drivers who prioritize daily commuting will appreciate the 1.2-liter efficiency, while those wanting a more energetic drive will benefit from the added strength of the 1.3-liter engine. The Trailblazer offers 2 transmission options, tailored to different driving needs. Front-wheel drive models feature a continuously variable transmission, delivering a smooth, efficient performance that is ideal for city and highway driving. For those who want more traction and control, the all-wheel drive versions come with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides more responsive shifting and better handling in varying road conditions. The availability of both drivetrains allows buyers to choose what fits their lifestyle, whether it's daily commuting or navigating rougher terrain. The CVT maximizes fuel efficiency, while the 9-speed automatic enhances performance and grip. The Trailblazer features a standard 11-inch diagonal HD color touchscreen on all trims, giving the cabin a modern, connected feel. The infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access maps, music, calls, and messages without plugging in a phone. The large display offers sharp visuals and a responsive interface, making everyday use simple and intuitive. This setup ensures seamless smartphone integration, keeping drivers focused and passengers entertained. With tech like this built in, the car delivers convenience and connectivity that enhance the driving experience. Every trim benefits from this smart, streamlined system, bringing advanced features into a compact SUV package that's ready for today's digital lifestyle. The Trailblazer delivers surprising interior comfort for a compact SUV. It seats up to 5 passengers with ease, offering generous rear legroom that stands out in its class. The cabin layout is smart and efficient, making the most of every inch. High-quality materials and supportive seats add to the overall comfort, whether on a quick errand or a long drive. The rear seats fold flat to expand cargo space, making room for larger items without sacrificing passenger comfort. With thoughtful storage options and a quiet cabin, the car feels more refined than expected. Its design proves that compact doesn't have to mean cramped, giving drivers a comfortable and versatile interior that fits both people and gear. The Trailblazer comes standard with Chevy Safety Assist, a suite of 6 advanced safety features designed to boost driver confidence and protection. Key technologies include automatic emergency brakes, lane keep assistance with lane departure warning, and forward collision alert. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and keep the vehicle securely on course. Additional features like front pedestrian brake and IntelliBeam auto high beams further enhance safety in various driving conditions. By making these tools standard across all trims, Chevrolet ensures every vehicle driver benefits from proactive safety support. This focus on technology and prevention gives peace of mind behind the wheel, reinforcing the car's role as a smart, dependable choice in the compact SUV segment. The Trailblazer delivers solid fuel efficiency, with EPA estimates depending on the engine and drivetrain. The front-wheel drive version with the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine achieves 30 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. Choosing the 1.3-liter engine with front-wheel drive improves fuel economy to 29 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. All-wheel drive, paired exclusively with the 1.3-liter engine, lowers efficiency slightly to 26 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. These figures highlight the Trailblazer's ability to balance performance with fuel savings. Drivers can select the configuration that best suits their needs, from maximizing mileage to gaining extra traction. Across the board, the vehicle remains a fuel-conscious option in the compact SUV market, combining versatility with strong overall efficiency. The Trailblazer stands out for its impressive cargo versatility, especially for a compact SUV. With the front passenger seat folded flat, it offers up to 8.5 feet of cargo length, making it easy to transport longer items like ladders, skis, or furniture. The rear seats also fold down, expanding the usable cargo area and increasing flexibility for various hauling needs. This smart interior design allows the vehicle to handle everything from daily errands to weekend gear. Compact in size but big on function, it provides a level of practicality often missing in smaller SUVs. The thoughtful layout maximizes space without compromising passenger comfort, making the Trailblazer a capable and convenient option for drivers with active lifestyles. The Trailblazer offers a competitive pricing structure in the subcompact SUV segment. The base LS trim starts at $24,395, providing essential features suitable for budget-conscious buyers. The LT trim, beginning at $25,595, adds enhanced amenities for a modest increase. For those seeking a sportier appearance, the RS trim is available from $28,995, while the Active trim, designed for off-road enthusiasts, also starts at $28,995. Optional packages, such as the Blackout package and Trailering package, are priced around $895 each, allowing for further customization. Adding all-wheel drive to any trim increases the cost by approximately $2,000. Overall, the Trailblazer's pricing balances affordability with a range of features, making it an attractive option for various buyers.